Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in today's video I'm just going to do a quick recap of the trades that we took today. Now, I'm sure many of you guys remembered yesterday's trades where we made $10,000 profit. Now, today we're going to look at Wednesday's trade. So this was this morning during London session. We were able to get 10-15 pips, and let me see this one, GBP Swiss. We were able to get another 10-15 pips, luckily before the market reversed. And the next one, I believe is, hold on, GBP USD, but my dashboard isn't working properly, so I can't select GBP USD for some reason. But anyway, you guys can see the trades that we were able to take. You can see that we were mostly following our overall trend that the indicator showed, and it was a very good day. I'm also going to show you guys our Telegram group. So hold on, let me just open this. Yeah, so this is our Telegram group. Yeah, this app is very slow. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm hoping that you guys can actually see some of the profits. Yeah, it's really slow, but anyway, guys, our indicator is very accurate. It can help you to manually trade the Forex market, and should also help you to know exactly when to trade, how to trade, you know, the best times to trade. So you can see that we were able to send the signals to our group, and then it also shows you what happens to the signal. So you can see that the GBP USD buy that we made, it ended in $300 profit. The GBP CAD buy that we made also ended in $224 profit. There's another trade I don't remember. I think it's GBP Swiss. Yeah, that was this morning at 2 a.m. for me anyway. So this was during the London session, guys. All right. So yeah, we had a very good trading day today. $849 profit. So guys, I am going to put the link to my Telegram group for you guys, because many of you have been requesting it as well. So my free Telegram group, it will be in the description. The link will be in the description, so you can join and see what we're doing every day. And also, I'm going to put the link where you can buy the indicator as well. All right. So it was nice to talk to you guys again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.